Hi, ISD families. I'm Amber Wooster, a speech language pathologist for the Independent School District, and I am here to show your students how to make the sh sound. The sh sound is produced with the S and the H together. To produce the sh sound, you first need to pull your tongue back, and the sides of your tongue are going to touch the inside of your upper jaw, right inside your teeth. After you pull your tongue back and the sides are touching, you are going to pucker your lips up like a fish, tongue back, lips are forward, and the sides of your tongue are up. You're going to blow air right across the top of your tongue. We want to make sure that the air is coming across the top and not the sides, because when it comes on the sides, you get a slushy sound. We don't want a slushy sound. And when you make the SH sound, your voice is not turned on. It's just the air coming over your tongue. So what you want to do, tongue back, the sides are up. You're going to make your little fish face and stick your lips out and then blow the air. Shh. Another way you can do it is make the E sound. When you make the E sound, your tongue is pulled back and the sides are touching the inside of your upper teeth. Try it. E. So when you pull that back, you're smiling when you make that sound, but to make the SH sound, E. Push your lips forward where they pucker up like a fish, and you'll get the SH sound. So let's try some words. I have some words that have the sh sound at the beginning and words that have the sh sound at the end. Let's start with the words that have the sh sound at the beginning. Here's our first word. Shy. She. Shell. Shade. Shut. Ship. Short. Shake. Shop. One of my favorite things. And shoe. I like to shop for shoes. Our next set of words have the sh sound at the end. So listen carefully for that sh sound. Trash. Hush. Fish. Rash. Wish. I wish I could be at school working with my students. Bush. Dish. Cash. Wash. And push. I hope these words help you, and my directions on how to make the sound will be of help to you. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you all very, very soon.